Alright guys, we back with this 1985 Chevy Caprice Classic. We already did the full review on her. We threw a set of 20-inch spokes and bows on her. We're going to do a quick walk around and start up. I'm going to put the video link to the full review in the description below if y'all want to check it out. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in good condition. She has a little over 22,000 miles. I think the wheels complement the paint well. Let's check out that top. Nice and clean. Check out that interior. Absolutely beautiful. Headliner in good condition. Check out the back seat. That's how you want to buy your Classic, guys. Check out that package tray. Start her up. Fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. It's running nice and smooth.